Hello, hello. Welcome to Language Broker English Lesson 9.7. Today we learn 20 more adjectives. In the last two lessons, we learned 100 adjectives that can be used to describe English nouns. Together we will learn, memorize, and practice the pronunciation of 20 more English adjectives. Let's begin. Simple, simple. Slow, slow. Smart, smart. Soft, soft. Sour, sour. Spicy, spicy. Strong, strong. Sweet, sweet. Sympathetic, sympathetic. Thoughtful, thoughtful. Tired, tired. Ugly, ugly. Unacceptable, unacceptable. Unhealthy, unhealthy. Unnecessary, unnecessary. Unreasonable, unreasonable. Weak, weak. Wet, wet. Wonderful, wonderful. Wrong, wrong. Okay, I kept it short and sweet again today. That is all. We just learned 20 additional English adjectives. Now you know 120 adjectives. Please practice, practice, practice using them in sentences. We will learn more words and more sentence structure coming soon. Thank you for watching. Please click like, click subscribe, go to the next lesson. Have a good day. Bye-bye.